Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is another one that I have been waiting to make. I've been so busy on the no sleep grind with school right now and tennis, so I have not made a videos in so long, but I'm really excited to do so. I'll be trying to make some more, especially for chem at the moment, because I am coming up to the AP Chem exam, so hopefully we can all study together. But today we're going to be talking about empirical and molecular formulas. The empirical formula is like the simplest ratio of the molecular formula, which is like the formula that you would most typically see in a equation or, in everyday life. So I'm going to show you guys how. The quick outline of how we're going to do this is we're going to convert to moles of each element in the compound. We're going to divide by the smallest number of moles and then use those values to make subscripts for the formula. Quick reminder that to convert to moles, we're going to have to go from grams to 1 mole over the molar mass, which is again in grams. But as you can see from this example problem that we have here, 56.5% carbon, 7.11% hydrogen, and 36.4% phosphorus, find the empirical formula. We are given percent. The AP is a little bit tricky in what they do is they take the percents, but one quick way to quickly resolve this, and it works every time, is just to pretend that you're taking this out of 100 grams of the compound. So if you're thinking in that concept, you would have 56.5 grams of carbon, 7.11 grams of hydrogen, and 36.4 grams of phosphorus. We're just going to think about it like that because that's how everyone does it. That's how the AP exam wants you to think about this. So it's about being a critical thinker and figuring stuff like that out. So we're going to just go ahead and convert all of these to moles as it says here, convert to moles of each element. So we're going to go times 1 mole over the molar mass of carbon, which is 12.01. And also for this next problem, as you can see, it's hydrogen. One thing about hydrogen in an empirical formula is you're not going to multiply by the diatomic molar mass, as you may see in other types of conversion, because we're just trying to find the singular H value that we need for the empirical formula. So we're going to just go 1 mole over 1 gram of hydrogen, and then same for phosphorus, that would be 1 mole over 31 to 30.97, so 31 grams of phosphorus. Okay, now we're going to convert. We're just going to use the calculator, and we're going to get 4.71 moles of carbon, 7.04 moles of hydrogen, and then 1.18 moles of phosphorus. All right, now next step is to divide by the smallest number of moles. As we can see here, our 1.18 moles of phosphorus is the smallest out of the 3 that we have. So we're going to divide each moles that we have by 1.18. So we're going to divide this by 1.18. And we get 4, 6, and 1. Oops, I just put a C. It's supposed to be a 6. So 4, 6, and 1. And that is going to tell us that our empirical formula is going to be C4, H6, P1. So P. And as you can see, the subscripts correspond to these. And yeah, this is the empirical formula. Now, for molecular formula, the way you're going to get this is you're going to do the molecular molar mass over the empirical molar mass to get the ratio of the subscripts. Then you're going to times the empirical subscripts by the ratio. So let's do an example to make this simpler. It is found that the mass is equal to 170.14 grams per mole of this compound. And if we take the molar mass of this compound, we would be getting 85.07. If you don't know how to find the molar mass, you can search it up. But basically, you just find the sum of all of the masses of the individual particles and then add them. So we get 87.07. So we're going to just do the formula, 170.14 over, what did I say? 85.07 to get a subscript of 2. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our molecular form or empirical formula, and then we're going to times the subscripts by 2. So we have C8H12P2. So that is our molecular formula for this compound. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any comments in the questions in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.